Bada bing, ching, ching, big profit. Even when the market's sideways.
What is going on, Ben Nation? Let's get a quick update going. We've got some price action to talk about. We were actually pretty right so far about how this thing has laid out and how it's played out. We're in a perfect position for a breakout. Now, we don't have any news that would present a reason for a breakout. However, we're in that position. So if something were to happen one way or another, then we might be breaking to the upside and breaking what really has been resistance at about 7,000 for a little while. But let's go check it out on the charts and see what we see. So remember yesterday we did have this conversation about this move here and how we just kind of take this and we're playing it out in a bunch of different ways, almost just perfectly. There's a bunch of different ways that you can actually move this around because you're trying to establish at least a trend line, right? And there's clearly a trend being established that there is this move here for an ascending wedge consolidating right now. And the moment that it hits, we're hoping, of course, for a breakout. Now, the fact that we're right here right now at 64.05, the market has been a little bit awkward overnight. We're still trading around 1733 on Ethereum. That's down, but we're starting to see some pump in alts in the market. But so I figure we'll probably see a move back up here, test 7,000 one more time, maybe get rejected back down just a little bit, and then we'll see whether or not we get a breakout. This is all speculation, of course. I don't have any crystal ball or any details that would tell me what would happen. So overall, $2 million in trading volume, market cap maintains at about 27. And it's just been kind of idling sideways right now, consolidating, if you will. At one point, I was looking at this saying, really, when you start to break it out to some of these longer sort of trends over here, you can see that it just looks like something could be happening. Now, one of the things I said last night to myself was, we really kind of have this old pattern breaking out right here, right? And then it broke to the downside. So I think that's been kind of invalidated in that context. So we'll see what happens. Now, did you know that our Ben Discord is live? Join, chat, and contribute. Now, if you go to @JoinBenCoin on Twitter, there is a link right there to join the Discord and sign up now. Make sure that you're in the know and aware of what's going on. Also, BenBot is now active. Ben is a cryptocurrency that values education, advocacy, and transparency and representation. Let's continue to reshape finance together and make it accessible for everyone. So now we have BenBot, which is out. So we'll see how, this is from Beep, I think. So it's a pretty cool sort of thing. Beep has been pretty fun overall. So, hopefully this is going to end up being a fun thing. Checking on Cassandra Wolf. Don't have any real updates over here. Doesn't look like there's any update right now. But earlier, trending over here was the Bitcoin ETF, which we're going to have to talk about pretty soon. Bitcoin ETF is going to make a big deal. Anyway, that's your update for the day. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of future content. And it's not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you like the thumbnail.
Whoa, another shot of the bullet. Loaded, got complex, cocking and pulling. That bottleneck look like the Loch Ness. What are we doing? I'm about to fall out, boy, and the proof's in the pudding. So, can we forget about the things I said when I was strong? I ain't mean to call you that. I'm ice cold like the keg the bartender tap on another.